So welcome to another edition of Android Application Development. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create your Hello World Android project using Flash, Adobe Flash CS 5.5. So the first thing to do is to open the Adobe Flash CS 5.5. So this is the environment. So we have Air for Android. Then the next thing to do is let's save this file, then create a new folder, then let's call it Hello World APK Flash. Then double click, then let's name this FLA Hello World underscore FLA Hello. Then save. Now let's drag a text field, or you can choose anything you want. So I'm gonna use hello world text because that's the default or the standard programming when you make a for example HTML or usually hello world is the basic thing to do. So you can download or read some tutorial in the internet so you can understand how this works. So I press the control enter. So this is the input or the output. So we have the hello world. So you can go to the properties. Then we have this Air for Android. It's script, Vision Script at 3.0. Then let's click edit. Then so here's where you set up the deployment, the icons, the permissions. So let's change this. So it should be hello world apk.apk. Then the application name would be hello world with the capital H. Then the Apple ID, it must have the two identifiers. So hello world. So the portrait is the auto. Then press the auto orientation. Then the render mode, I'm gonna use the auto. So it also have the deployment. So I don't have a certificate, so I can create my own. So publisher name is at Adam Corey. Then organization identified, because I don't want to list it. Then organization name identified, then country US, then password and confirm password. The type, no, just gonna leave that. And validity period will be 25 years. Then save as. Then it's gonna be hello world. Then save. Then press OK. Then self-signed certificate has been created. So in the deployment, you put the password. Then remember password for this session. Then I'm gonna select the device release. So it also have the emulator debug. So we have the icons. So this is where you set up your icons. Then the permissions, you have to click the internet. All. So make sure you have checked the box in the internet. So it also have the write external storage, read of phone state, access file location, camera, etc. So in the permission, it's just click the internet, then click publish. So now it's publishing, then press OK. So minimize. Let's go to the Hello World Flash. So that's it. That's the Hello World.apk file. Mission success with using the Flash CES 5.5.